It's been almost 18 years since Jamaica had a cyclist representing the country at the Olympic Games, but Andrew Ramsey is looking to change that scenario. However, he knows it will not be an easy feat. Denise Walters reports.
Across sporting disciplines, athletes dream of competing at the Olympic Games, and a cyclist Andrew Ramsey is numbered among them. But Ramsey is under no illusions, as he knows to get to the Games in the next 2 years will be a massive undertaking.
My overall aim is to be in the Olympics, World Championships, at the highest level. Cycling is it's hard work. You have to train every day. The traveling, it's also very expensive. Go out there and bikes are expensive. Yeah, it's a tough task.
And with not many local riders at the elite level, he doesn't have much competition to push him.
We don't race at a high level here, and when the guys come here, it's very challenging. You have to race amongst the best to be the best.
Ramsey earlier this year competed at the Pan American Elite Track Cycling Championships in Santiago, Chile.
It was stiff competition, racing against some of the best guys in the Pan American region. Guys that been to the Olympics, World Championships, World Cup. I finished 12 in the elimination, which is a good result. I crashed and then I got back up and still managed to finish the race.
Recently, Ramsey finished as runner-up behind Mexican Heriberto Quiroz in the elite category, going 40 laps at the Winston Blacks Brown Memorial Classic held in Jamaica.
It was really tough. I didn't feel like my best today, but I still did the best I can and pull off a second, which is still a good result. It's always grateful to be on the podium. People come here and go back home empty-handed. So I have to be grateful. Most of my training was track training, which is shorter events. So I was mostly on the track. I just started training back on the road about 2 weeks now, so not in tip-top shape yet.
And having competed against better opponents, the end game is to get as good as them.
It's a long journey, but I know I will get there over time. With the help of my coach, Carlton Simmons, I'll get there.
Ricardo Lynch was the last Jamaican cyclist to compete at an Olympics when he represented the country at the 2008 Beijing Games in China in the keirin event. Jamaica's lone medal outside of athletics at the Olympics came in cycling, David Weller picking up bronze in 1980 in Moscow. The 2028 Olympic Games will be held in Los Angeles. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.